In this video, we're going to go over a worksheet, RP-931. So I'm going to go over some of the questions. Let's go ahead and start with number 2. So we've got 20 minus 8 divided by 4 times 2 plus 7. We need to do order of operations, and remember, order of operations is P, E, M, and it really should be MD, and then AS. So parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction. So if you have multiplication or division, you actually go from left to right. You're going to do one or the other, depending on which one's further to the left. And then addition, subtraction, again, you're just going to go from left to right. So it's important to remember PEMDAS, which is written up there. All right, let's go ahead and start with number 2. We've got, do we have any parentheses? I see no parentheses here. Do we see any exponents? I see none of those, but I do see some multiplication and some division. And we're actually going to do the division first because it's furthest to the left. It's like, reading left to right. So we start with 8 divided by 4. So let's do that first. When you're showing your work, I recommend, let's go ahead and pull some red pen out there. I recommend kind of going like that. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Rewrite the whole thing. And yes, you should rewrite the whole thing. Because, and then bring down this little minus sign as well. Because that's how you should show your work. That's how you keep it organized. Now we ask ourselves, all right, multiplication, we still had some more multiplication, so this is what we deal with right here, 2 times 2. So what I'm going to do is do that. 2 times 2 is 4, and then bring everything else down. Bring down the 20, bring down this minus sign, bring down the plus sign, bring down the 7. All right, what's next? Well, we finished all the multiplication division. Now we just have addition and subtraction. So we go from left to right. You don't, and actually, in fact, some of you may notice, well, what if I do this first? Will it change the answer? Actually, for the most part, not. I mean, it can mess you up. So it's definitely a good idea to go left to right first. So 20 minus 4. 20 minus 4 is 16. And then it really helps to be able to do the stuff in your head. Bring down everything else, plus 7. 16 plus 7, that is 17 plus 6, 23, I think. There it is, 23. Box your answers. Don't forget to do that. Some of you like to highlight your answers. That's a great idea, too. All right, so I'm going to jump down. Let's do 2 more problems. Let's go ahead and do number 8 looks fun, and then let's maybe do number 14. So let's go with 8. Number 8 starts with, let's do orange this time. Let's see. Remember, P, E, and then MD, and then finally AS. So we have no parentheses. We have no exponents. We have some multiplication and division, so we have some right here. We start off with multiplying because that's furthest to the left. So let's do these 2 first. 8 times 3, 8, 16, 24. Bring everything else down. So bring down the 20, bring down the plus, bring down the division symbol, bring down the 6, bring down the minus, bring down the 5. All right, what's next? Well, we've got that division right there, so let's take care of that. 24 divided by 6, let's see, 6, 12, 18, 24, that is 4. Now bring everything else down. That's plus 20, the plus, the minus, and the 5. Remember, we just dealt with this, so we don't need the 6 anymore, just like we dealt with that up there. Now what do we do next? Well, we have addition and subtraction, so let's deal with these 2. Add 20 and 4, so let's do that. 20 and 4 is 24. And then bring everything else down, minus and the 5s. And now we do 24 minus 5, that is just 19. And box your answer. Ooh, that was nice. Let's go straight down to question number 14 now. Green, my favorite color. So, we do have some no parentheses, no exponents, but we do have some multiplication and some division, so let's deal with that first. We're going to do the multiplication first because, it's the one furthest to the left, so 9 times 4, 19, 18, 27, 36. bring everything else down. I'm going to bring that plus down, the 15 down, bring down the division, the 6, the minus, and the 9. Really helps to, if you can write clearly and neatly and just organize your work. Now we have to deal with that division. So 36 divided by 6, that is 6, I think. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36, yeah. Now bring everything else down. Plus, bring down the 15, bring down the minus, bring down the 9. Now we just go to addition, subtraction. Go from left to right. 15 plus 6, that is just 21, minus 9. 21 minus 9 is just, 20 minus 9 is 11, plus 1 is 12. I think that's it. So there it is. That's how you need to show your work. Don't just kind of jump from one place to the next. Don't try to do multiple things at once. Not yet anyways, just because we feel like that's not exactly the safest way to go about doing this. So that's how you get started on this homework assignment. Good luck.